Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral from 0 to 3 over 2 x to the power of 2 dx over the square root of 4 plus x to the power of 2 to everything to the power of 3. So I will show the technique how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So in here we will have x equal to 2 tan t dx. We have 2 dt over cosine t squared. Now we need to change the number 0 and 3 over 2. If x equals to 0, so t equals to 0. If x equals to 3 over 2, so t equals to r tan 3 over 4. So now we need to change this one. 0 is still the 0, and t we change for this one, and we have x to the power of 2 we change to 4 tan t squared. This one change to 4 tan t squared. The x we change to this one. Now we need to simplify. So we have 4, we put outside, and we have 3 and the square root. So we got the new one, that's the number 8. We have 4 and we have number 2. Multiply, you got about 8. So we have 8 in here, so we simplify again. Next, we have the formula. So we change for this one. We have 1 over cosine t squared multiplied with number 3, you got about 6. 6 divided by 2, you got about 3. So we have 1 over cosine t to the power of 3. Cosine t squared and cosine t to the power of 3, you will got about cosine t. Cosine t go to the numerator. We will go about sine t squared over cosine t squared. Cosine t and cosine t, so you simplify, and now you got about cosine t. Now we change for this formula. We can divide into two integrals. cosine t divide cosine t, so you got about cosine t left. Now in this one we multiply with cosine t in here, so you will got about cosine t and cosine t squared. And now for this one we convert to 1 minus sine t squared. And now we can do about integration by substitution. So we got about u equal to sine t, du equals to cosine t dt. And now we change the number 0 and r times 3/4. So we have t equals to 0, so u equals to 0, t equals for this one, so you got about u equal to sine r times, and now we change the number. So as you can see that we change sine t square is about u, so that's u square. Cosine t dt we change to du. And now we have the formula 1 minus u square equal to 1 minus u multiply with 1 plus u in here. So on the top one we will get about 1 minus u plus 1 plus u. So because we have number 2, so in here outside the integral we have 1/2. Negative u with the u they will eliminate. Now we can separate them in here. 1 minus u divide 1 minus u, you got about 1 plus u. One plus u divide 1 plus u, you will got about 1/1 minus u. And we put the answer in here. So in this one you will get the answer of 1/2 multiplied with logarithm by e of absolute value of 1 plus this number minus this number if you put about the 0 in here, you will got 0 and 0, so you get the answer for the first integral. The second integral, that's it about this one. And you will got about the negative sine t and and the answer for this one is about negative sign. So you combine two results together, you will go about this one. That's the end. Thank you for watching.